What is going on, YouTube? In today's video, we are going to be testing the Starlink in the middle of a national forest. I want to see how well this thing works when we're super far away from home and camping in a very remote area. So if you haven't done so, I actually made an unboxing video for the STARLINK Mini, and I also talk about some pro tips, setting it up, and all that. So if you haven't seen it, I suggest you start there first, especially if you are thinking about getting one of these things. Now, the main reason I personally got a Starlink is I'm an overlander. I love camping in super remote places like the desert, the forest, the mountains. And one thing for me is I always want to be sure that I'm able to be connected to my wife or some sort of emergency services just in case things go wrong. I know that she would worry about me all the time when I'd be going out on these 3-4 day overlanding trips in remote areas and she couldn't connect to me. So before we go out into the forest, if you guys don't know, my name is Joe. This is your Average Joe Adventures, where we do overlanding, camping, gear reviews, travel, etc. So if this is your first time on the channel, be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It truly helps me out. I am so close to getting my first 2,000 subscribers, and I would truly appreciate your help. So with that being said, cars pack, let's go drive in the middle of the forest. Come on. What's up, guys? So today we're going to be testing the Starlink in the middle of Tahoe National Forest. Now I'm in a pretty dense forest right now, definitely hidden into the trees. So I'm going to see if I can even get a little signal. So let's go straight to the app and set up the connection. All right, guys, so before we even start, we're going to go ahead and turn airplane mode on. And okay. Airplane mode is now on. Okay, guys, so before starting, you want to go ahead and turn your data saver off. So I'm just going to type in data saver, which is right here. And go ahead, go to data saver and just turn it on now. That way, when you connect, you're not automatically uploading all your missed emails and Facebook, Instagram notifications, all that good stuff, and suck all your data. Okay, so now when you're in data saver mode, we want to go ahead and turn our Wi-Fi on. So we're gonna go ahead and turn our Wi-Fi on right now and see if we could find our connection. Oh, there's mine. So that's the name of my Starlink. It's gonna be HEMA's Wi-Fi right here. So we are connected. Let's go ahead and go back into the Starlink app. It's connecting and it now says it's online. Now here it's gonna go ahead and see if your satellite needs to be aligned a little bit more. Looks like there's also a software update, so let's go ahead and fast forward till the end of that. All right, guys, so while we're waiting for the software update to finish, this is a good time to align your Starlink. So if you click here, mine is already perfectly aligned. It helps a lot to have a tripod for this thing like this, where you can, rotate it and also tilt it in any direction that you need to. Mine's perfectly aligned. I'm not gonna touch it. All right, guys, so we are back. We're back online. Software update is up to date. Don't be like me. You should definitely update before you come out here, because it does take about 10-15 minutes or so. So don't be like me. Go ahead and update before you come out here. Okay, so anyways, update is done. Let's go ahead. We still have airplane mode is still turned on, no data, and we are only connected to our Wi-Fi, which is HEMA's Wi-Fi for Starlink. Now let's go ahead and just test it out. Let's go ahead, go on YouTube. Let's see. Okay, looks like I'm gay. Okay, my son loves Bluey. All right, I don't want to get copyright, but Looks like it's streaming it pretty good. And actually this is, let me just check the quality real quick. Oh, and this is on 1080p. That's another thing I would do when you're out here. Go ahead and just do 480p or even lower, because it's not gonna matter on your phone screen, to be honest, or even your iPad. So I would go ahead and lower the quality. So, okay, Bluey works. Let's go ahead and try a speed test. And I'm not gonna use the Starlink's speed test in their app. I'm gonna use the actual speed test app from Ookla. Okay, it says right here, we're connected with SpaceX Starlink. Let's see how fast we're getting out here in the middle of nowhere. Wow. It's showing about 145, almost 150. All right, we're getting 148 megs of download speed, and the upload speed I'm getting, okay, looks like it went from 20 and now it's going down a little bit. Okay, 19. All right, almost 19 megs. And what is our ping? We got a ping of 89. Now, if you're thinking of gaming with this, I think 89 might be just right on the cusp of it being kind of too high to play competitively. But you know, you could stream stuff and you could download anything that you need to. So, what's up, Mom? Yeah, we're in Tahoe National Forest. We're in the middle of nowhere right now. It's crazy.
I know. We do.
Just Ashley.
And you?
Yeah, and the baby. Anyways, I was just testing this call. I was calling you because I wanted to test this, what's that called? So we just got this satellite internet right here called Starlink.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, malakas. Ang linaw. Starlink? Oo,
Yeah,
ang
Starlink.
labas.
And we're able to call you guys in the middle of nowhere. Just set up the satellite. Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Where's Jeremiah?
He's in the tent. I don't know if he'll reach. Let me check if he'll reach. Uh-oh, it dropped. It dropped a little bit.
Huh?
Oh, hello.
Oh, tanong mo.
Oh, it dropped, but there it is. We're back. Okay, we're back. So it did drop. It dropped in pings really quickly, and then it came back on. Here, let me see if I can go all the way to the... Okay. So I expect that with satellite anyways. I expect it to drop a little bit. Oh, no, Grandma. It doesn't reach that far from here. Okay. So I tried to step away from the satellite. I would say the tent is probably maybe 30, 40 feet. Oh, maybe 30 feet this way. But it looks like it's too far. Okay. It can't do it because the tent is all the way over there.
Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't reach.
Sige.
It doesn't reach over there for some reason.
Okay, mag-ingat kayo dyan, ha?
Okay. Thanks. I'll call you later.
Love you.
Bye. Love you.
Okay,
Bye.
love you. Bye.
This thing has been a game changer for me because, you know, when I go on my trips alone, sometimes it's hard for my wife when she doesn't know where I am or don't know if I'm safe or not, or if I'm coming home or if anything happened. So having something like this to be able to connect to her and say, hey, you know, call her and be like, good night, I'm safe, I'll check in with you tomorrow. Most overlanders carry satellite communicators anyway. You know, those little Garmin's or Zoleo. I know Motorola makes some, but those are just pretty much the same thing, just for SOS, just to give people back home your coordinates and check in on them, make sure you let them know that, hey, I made it, I'm okay. When you're somewhere like this, super remote, we're here in the middle of Tahoe National Forest. It is beautiful, and I'm even surprised because I'm gonna have you guys, I'm gonna circle the camera around, but if you guys see this, we are literally in the middle of the trees. This thing has a straight shot up the sky. I found this little corner right here where it had a kind of a clear view of the sky, so I'm getting about 150 megs, which is crazy. Anyways, if this video helped you, or if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. If you guys want to see any of my other adventures, I'll put another link right here. And if you guys want to see our new luxury inflatable tent, I'll put that video right here. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.